Oh, I definitely think that this is going to be a game changer for your business. You guys, welcome back to the Market Vibe. Michael here. So this is the second part of our Clubhouse series where I actually want to highlight 2 specific brand new features that Clubhouse has and tell you how we're using them, how we've seen other people using them, but more importantly, the best ways we've seen people using them to help them network and grow and collaborate and be able to scale their business. So you guys, the first thing that I want to talk to you about is pinned links. And this is something that's brand new within the past couple of weeks. So if you've been on Clubhouse before, now you might see at the top of the room, there's almost this rectangular bar on the top of the screen. You know, it looks like a hyperlink with a picture. And so what you can now do is, if you're the person running the room, is you can actually now link a link at the top of the room. This honestly can be anything. I've seen people do YouTube videos. I've seen people do it to a blog, to freebies, to products or services. You can really link it to anything as long as it's a URL. So it's really opened up the possibilities of now what people can do while they're running a Clubhouse room. And so I really just wanted to make this quick video about some ways we've seen people using that have worked really well, and some ways that we've seen that haven't really worked really well and come off in really kind of a bad way. So some ways that people have been using them that are really great. Okay, so the first thing is a freebie. So we saw someone using it. They were talking about Instagram, and so they were talking about how to increase your engagement. And so the link was to an Instagram freebie that they had. Really great idea. It's an ancillary thing that adds to the content that you're already giving people on the social audio app. So that makes sense for them to then click on that. I talked to the person who was running the room, and they said that it worked really, really well. I think they said they did the room for about an hour and they got 50 opt-ins, which is really great. That's almost an opt-in every minute. So really great way that you can utilize that link. Another way is we actually saw someone use it to their YouTube and blog. And so what they did is they run 2 rooms a week, and they come out with 1 YouTube video and 1 blog every week. And so they would run their Tuesday room about kind of what the blog was about, and then Thursday would be kind of about what the YouTube was about, but it would be different. It wouldn't just be a carbon copy, so that what they could do is link that blog or YouTube at the top and then direct people to there. And they had all of that on their website, and then to YouTube, and then to another blog source like Medium or things like that. So they were taking advantage of all that website traffic going there. And they said it actually tripled their website traffic in a week, which is insane. So that's another great way that you can use it. So you can link it to your website, you can link it to a YouTube video, or you can link it to a blog. Okay, you guys, now I want to talk about one way that I've seen that I knew that this was going to happen, and I unfortunately knew that it wasn't going to work really well, and that's linking your products or services at the top. It looks really, really spammy, you guys, and I'm just gonna tell you, we'll never do it, and I would never suggest any of our clients to ever do it. It just seems honestly desperate. If you link your product or service at the top while you're doing a talk, it just, to me, seems like then that you're just in it for the sales. You're just there hoping people click and buy your course, buy your membership, or things like that. So I really think, and this is just my personal opinion, I would really stay away from using that link to sell any products or services. I would really try and offer some sort of free value on top of the talk that you're already doing, because I think playing the long game and really building community and network and adding value is so much better than the first time people come into your room and the first thing they see is you trying to sell your course through a link. So you guys, thank you for joining this video. I think pinned links are going to be a great way, if you use them correctly, to grow your business, whatever the case may be. If you guys have any questions about pin links, because I know it's a brand new feature, drop them in the comments below. We're still kind of figuring out how we're going to use them. Like we said, we've done them to YouTube, blog, we've done them to our freebies, we've done them to our website, and we've had great success. So we'd love to hear how you guys are thinking of using them in the comments below. But until next time, see you guys.